Hi guys, so today we're going to be unbagging my January Ipsy. I'm on time this month. Isn't that amazing? I just got it today in the mail. I'm off of work, so I decided to sit down and go ahead and film it for you guys. Sorry I didn't have a video up yesterday. My normal day on Thursday. It's on Friday this week. That's just all I have to say about that. So let me go ahead and show you what the bag looks like this month. It's kind of a cute bag. This reminds me of summer in a way, almost like if you're going to the beach, like exercisey, because there's like shoestring ties right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of like a shoestring tie, which is kind of cute in a way. It says Ipsy here on the side in plastic. It's like a mesh with like little sweat holes in it if you were to work out, and then it has like the neon color on it. So I actually do kind of like this bag this month. I have no complaints whatsoever, so I think it's super cute. All right, let's go ahead and unzip it and let's see what's in the bag. I'm excited to see what we get this month. So all right, the first thing we get is Game Face, and it says I will conquer. So it says January Ipsy 2018. So this basically just tells you what the bag is about, not really, I mean, what's inside it, but what they're focusing on. So of course, I always see spoilers about this because I am an Ipsy OS member, so I get like emails about it. So this basically just says that they're focusing on like workout and bettering yourself, which is normally what people do in January with New Year's resolutions and stuff. So that's what this is about. All right, let's go ahead and get into the first item in the bag. And it is a Pretty Woman nail polish. Last month I got a nail polish, which was kind of cool. Let's see what color this is. I do have it on my nails. Obviously I need to take it off and redo them because it's already chipping, but it was a pretty one from last month. Let's see. Oh, this one is another blue nail polish. This one is more of a neon like 80s style color nail polish, so that's going to be interesting. I love any color nail polishes. I'm not like discriminative against any colors. I'll definitely wear all. It looks like it's going to be pretty opaque just by the way that it drops off of the brush, so it looks pretty dense, so that will be good. So hopefully I won't have to use more than one coat. I mean, most of the time you have to use two, but hopefully I won't have to use too much. So that's pretty cool. Pretty Woman. I've never heard of this brand before. It says 5 free. It's cruelty free, paraben free, sulfate free, and GMO free, vegan. So there's a bunch of different things that this does not contain. This must be a online brand of some sort. They do have Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, and they're on Twitter as well, so it must be more of a online type of brand. So I'm excited to try this out. I will let you guys know how I like it if you want to know, but you'll probably end up seeing it on my hand at some point because I use all the nail polishes that I get from Ipsy because I just love different kind of nail polishes. So all right, so the next thing in the bag here is Mary Luminizer. That's kind of hard to say. So this is from La Balm. I've actually probably am one of the only people in the world on YouTube that has not tried this yet, this highlighter. It is definitely a small little one, a small little sample, which is okay. I have a ton of different highlighters. I've been wanting to give this a try to see what the hype is about it because everybody just like raves about this on a bunch of different like makeup forums that I follow. So I'm just putting some right here and then kind of, I hope you guys can see the glow there, but that's what that looks like. I wonder if it's gonna be one that shows texture. A lot of people really like this, so we'll see how that works. Oh, that looks actually kind of pretty. So I don't know, I just put a little bit there as opposed to that side there. I have another highlighter on this side from this morning, but yeah, I think that would be really nice. I'm actually really excited to try this out. I've heard so many good things about this, so I don't mind getting this little sample because I've never purchased the full size. So this is something that I will try out and use and see how I like it. I'm excited about that one, guys. All right, next we have in the bag is a charcoal face off mask, 15-minute facial therapist, deep cleaning mud based formula. So this is actually kind of a cool little bag because it looks like one of those ones that you suck in the like applesauce and stuff. I mean, don't do that with this obviously, but this is kind of cool. This is from, I guess it's from Global Beauty Care. So this is kind of cool. I said this in my last video, I forget to use masks, and I have like a box down here of them that I need to take them into my bathroom. That way after I'm done washing my face at night, I can throw one on my face. So I'm gonna leave this one in my bathroom. Let me know if you guys want to know anything about this. Feels kind of cool. It says it lasts for 6 months, so I'm assuming you don't need to use it all. I love that it came with the little cap. That way when you don't use it all, you can just put the cap back on and continue to use that. So I will give this one a try. Again, if you want to know anything about this, just put it down in the description and I will answer you as soon as I give this a try. All right, let's see what's next here. We only got 2 more items. All right, the next thing I got is a France Flickers. This is from Catrice, and it is a eyeliner, I believe. And it has a bunch of stars on it. Let me see if I can find the opening. Let's open it up and see what it is. It looks like a liquid eyeliner in black. What do we got? A liquid liner. Awesome. So it is from Catrice. And oh, it makes a very thin line, so that is awesome. And it looks like you can make a very thick line too. So yeah, I'm excited about this. Like I said, do not mind getting liquid liners, and it doesn't look like it bleeds, so that is awesome. There's no bleeding going on, so that is really, really good. I am so excited to give this one a try because it doesn't look like it's bleeding at all, and it looks like it dries down to a matte, which is also very awesome for me. So yes, I'm super happy about this. It looks full size as well, so this is a good product for me to get in this box. All right, next and final, the liquid matte from the So Susan company, and this is in Raisin Flesh is what it's called. I enjoy liquid matte lipsticks. I have a ton of them, so let's go ahead and swatch this one and see. This one is cruelty free, and it has an 18-month shelf life on it, which is good. Oh, it smells good. It smells like a creamsicle. I've never smelled a lipstick that smells like a creamsicle. That's amazing. So I love that smell. It's like a morning orange Julius or something. Oh, this is a pretty color too. Yeah. I will definitely wear this and give it a try. There's the color there. That is really, really pretty. So Susan Cosmetics. So that is a really, really pretty color. It looks very opaque. There's no streaking going on, which is really nice. Hopefully it dries down to a really nice matte. Let's just put it on real quick and see what it does. I have a little bit of lipstick on, but nothing too bad. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, that is a pretty, pretty color. So yeah, the brush isn't that great. It's a smaller doe foot brush, which can be okay for people that like to, you know, be able to get more precise look, which is fine for them. But I've gotten so used to, like, you know, the Dose of Colors and this Jeffree Star brushes where they're kind of big and you can get like a full area in one wipe. But yeah, this is a smaller brush, but I love the color. It's definitely drying down really quick, so if you want to know any information about that, just put it down in the description. And there's more that I wear. I'll probably wear it tomorrow and give it a try out all day and see how it lasts and what it does to the lips and if it makes me feel like I want to scratch it off my lips. But yeah, I'll definitely give it a try tomorrow. I'll put it down in the description if you want to know what this lasted like and how it worked, and I'll definitely answer you back. So that was the 5 items that I got on my Ipsy for January. I actually am really happy with this bag. I'm going to enjoy that lipstick. I like the color. I think it's a beautiful color. It suits me well. That eyeliner I'm super excited about. I'm also excited about the nail polish and the Mary Luminizer. I'm excited to give it a try as well. I think it would suit my face really well. Hopefully, we'll see. I'm gonna give that a try tomorrow as well, see how that works out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions about Ipsy, and if you haven't subscribed to Ipsy yet, it is a $10 a month subscription bag that you get 5 medium to sometimes full-size products to try out throughout the month. I'll leave a link down below. I don't know if it is affiliated or not. I can't figure it out. So if it is affiliated, you can always just go straight to their website and not have to worry about giving me any kind of points, because I think it gives me points at some point if you click on that and buy from there. I'm not sure how that works. I've never reaped any benefits from it, so I don't know how that works, but I'll definitely leave a link down below just for in case you may want to get to the Ipsy subscription thing quicker. So I shall talk to you guys sometime within the week, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye bye.